Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to make an in-person video because I made a really big choice. I took a risk and I want to talk to you guys about that risk today because I personally think that it's a smart play and it's going to pay off, but I'm sure a lot of people watching this video might disagree, but I'm going to try and explain my reasoning. So as you can tell by the thumbnail, I sold all my Evolving Skies, guys. I have none left. I got rid of my loose packs. My one booster box I got rid of, all of my Divergent Powers tins. I mean, this is all that's left. This empty acrylic case that I had it in, and you guys are probably wondering what I did with it. Well, technically, I shouldn't say I sold it. I did do a fairly large trade. I'm bringing in a lot of product as well, and I'm actually trading for Steam Siege and Crimson Invasion. And I know a lot of you guys are gonna think this is crazy, but hear me out, right? So one box of Evolving Skies that was in this, the one that I had, and I'm just gonna. I know I had a lot of loose packs and tins and stuff like that. So just bear with me as I use this analogy. I'm basically trading one booster box for 4 boxes of Crimson Invasion and Steam Siege. And I know what you guys are thinking, okay? Sure, maybe they're close to the same value, but think about it, right? If I have 4 boxes, okay, that's 4 times as much stuff that I can sell for profit. If I only have one Evolving Skies box, I can only sell that one time to make money. If I have 4 boxes of Crimson Invasion, I can sell 4. That's 4 times as much profit. Okay, and Steam Siege is on the rise, guys. Same thing with Crimson Invasion. I mean, Crimson Invasion's actually a pretty deep set. You have the Gyarados in there, you have the Lucamine, so you have some waifu as well. Steam Siege, like you have that Mega Gardevoir that's up 470% in the past year in a near mint copy. What's the Moonbreon done over the past year? It's only up like 160%. So 470% versus 160%. I know which one I personally want to pick, right? Like it's numbers, right? It's so obvious what I should be going with. And I know there are going to be people in the comments that just don't understand my philosophy on investing, but it's just, guys, you got to be making these plays, right? You have to make moves basically month to month. You have to follow every single trend. And honestly, right now, Steam Siege and Crimson are on the rise. And we're going to see a ton of potential, especially with Steam Siege. You have the Mega Gardevoir and the Steelix in there. That's 2 megas, guys. How many megas in Evolving Skies? 0. 0 megas in Evolving Skies. You really think that Evolving Skies is going to do well over the next 2 to 3 years when we go through all these mega sets? You have to be delusional to think that. Like, genuinely delusional. And I'm tired of hiding it, okay? I'm tired of coming on here every single day, making videos, pumping these shit sets like Evolving. You know how many reprints Evolving got? Like 3, 4, 5, like so many reprints, okay? Steam Siege. How many reprints did Steam Siege get? 0. You know why? It's just a rare set. Pokemon was like, we're going to keep this rare. We want this to be the set of the future. They were playing 5D chess while all of us were focused on the new flashy thing. That thing was aging like fine wine, and now we're seeing it take off, guys. This isn't coincidence, okay? And I saw the trend. I knew this was coming. I felt like it was a good play, and I jumped on it, right? And 2, 3 years down the line, when I'm making 4 times as much as you because I have 4 times the booster boxes to sell, no one's going to be to blame except you for not hopping on this trend. So look, you can hate me all you want in the comments. You can talk your shit in all your videos, say that I have 0 clue what I'm doing, okay? And I'm going to be laughing because I'm going to have Steam Siege sitting in my acrylic cases while you only have a shitty set like Evolving Skies. Now, I'm sure there's going to be some delusional people out there watching this video that still want to open Evolving Skies, some other bad sets like 151, Crown Zenith, all of these dog water sets. Personally, I think you should be opening Obsidian Flames and clearly Steam Siege and Crimson Invasion. Either way, though, you can come buy packs tonight. I'm starting a rip and ship. I'm going to be charging 69% over market value. I'm also only going to be paying 69% of market for packs. Again, guys, I have to make my margin, okay? Everything you see behind me is on maxed out credit cards. I have to pay my bills this month. So if you hop in there, buy a few packs, it'll really help me out. Thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. Again, ignore that you're being fleeced. I have to make my margin, okay? Like, I'm doing a good service to society. Just remember that today is the first day of the month, and we take the first day of every month very seriously because it sets the tone for the rest of the month. Yeah, so anyways, thank you so much for watching the video. Stay safe wherever you are in the world, and I'll catch you in the next one.